Session is a childcare facility toolkit orientation session, and will provide a brief overview of the childcare facility toolkit created by the Colorado Department of Local Affairs. The toolkit is one of 3 programs that were created by House Bill 24-1237. These programs are a toolkit and technical assistance program, which we're reviewing today, which is designed to enable eligible recipients to understand the technical aspects of planning, developing, building, and co-locating childcare facilities through an online toolkit and tailored technical assistance. There are also 2 other programs. One is a local government planning grant, which has grants to help identify and modify regulations and processes to community planning policies, programs, development review processes, building and zoning, and other regulatory processes to incentivize and support the development of childcare facilities. The last is a capital grant program, which contains grants for local governments, public schools, institutions of higher education, or public-private partnerships to support the development of licensed childcare and to construct, remodel, renovate, or retrofit a childcare facility to meet a demonstrated need for childcare in the community. All 3 programs are focused on supporting the development of both center-based and in-home childcare facilities. To find out more about the 2 grant programs, you can visit engagedola.org, where information will be shared as it becomes available. So what is the Childcare Facilities Toolkit? This toolkit is designed to acquaint the users with tools and resources to successfully develop, facilitate, and support childcare facilities in community planning and development efforts across Colorado. Really, it's for anyone who might be interested in developing a childcare facility in the future. So who is it for? The information and resources in the toolkit are designed for local governments, developers, employers, public schools, institutions of higher education, and providers interested in or actively pursuing childcare supply building projects. How do you use the toolkit? We encourage you to view the videos and explore the resources included in the toolkit. The toolkit is a self-guided resource, and it will provide key resources for interaction and awareness building, highlighting key aspects of success in developing, building, and co-locating childcare facilities. After you've done that, you may be interested in applying for a technical assistance cohort or a grant opportunity, and we'll provide more information about those in the toolkit as well. After viewing the video series and reviewing the associated resources, you should be able to understand key childcare challenges impacting Colorado children, families, and providers, identify key departments, organizations, and regulatory agencies that support the childcare industry and community needs in Colorado, understand types of childcare facilities and common methods of development, build awareness of local and state opportunities to facilitate and expedite childcare facility development and sustainability, and access toolkit resources to help inform your next steps. The next few slides will share an overview of the toolkit structure and topics. You're currently watching the orientation video, which provides a summary of the programs with user guidance and some helpful recommendations. This video is followed by 5 sessions which are focused on various topics. These are self-guided learning sessions, and session 1 covers the Colorado childcare landscape, session 2, childcare facility needs and opportunities, session 3, partnership impacts and opportunities, session 4, funding and financing childcare facilities, and finally, session 5 provides an intro to childcare facility development. There's also a resource hub, which contains 2 portions, a resource list that is associated with each session, and an overall resource list, which contains general resources around supporting childcare development. After completing the pre-recorded sessions, there are some extended support and learning options. We encourage you to sign up for the interactive webinars. These webinars are live sessions with Toolkit creators and instructors where you can ask questions and learn more about technical assistance cohorts and upcoming grant opportunities. These two webinars will be a local governments webinar, which is designed for local government representatives, elected officials, school districts, and other community leaders actively pursuing facility development or interest in upcoming planning grant opportunities. And a community leadership webinar, which is designed for housing developers, public-private partnerships, investors, and other community stakeholders in early childhood education, or ECE, who are interested in serving a key role in planning, developing, or co-locating childcare facilities currently or in the future. You can find upcoming dates and times for these webinars at engagedola.org. Finally, the toolkit will be followed by an opportunity to participate in a technical assistance program. This will be in a technical assistance cohort model. It will require an application and a series of 5 sessions over 3 months. It will help to guide the planning and development processes prior to or during implementation and creation of a childcare facility. The goal of this technical assistance program is to support the diverse and unique needs of childcare facilities across the state. It's been developed by the Department of Local Affairs, or DOLA, in partnership with the Colorado Department of Early Childhood and executives partnering to invest in children. The program will guide participants through critical components of facilitating and optimizing approaches to childcare facility construction, renovation, expansion, and preservation. The information contained in this childcare development toolkit is important background knowledge for all potential applicants to the technical assistance program. And we encourage you to review the toolkit content before applying for a technical assistance cohort. You can find more information about applying for this cohort in the resource materials or at engagedola.org, which will be shared as it becomes available. This is the end of the orientation session for the Child Care Facility Toolkit. We now encourage you to continue through sessions 1 through 5 to deepen your understanding of developing childcare facilities in Colorado. Thank you.